stitch. Oh, this is the first step. Dayon, incline to the right. Then the broken line indicates na letter C. This is already letter C. Because A, then letter B, then letter C. At the back.
Yes, ma'am.
Broken line. And then, let's
Letter
proceed to letter
D.
D. And beside letter D, closer to letter D is letter
E.
And letter E. Next is letter
B. Back to B, ma'am.
No. Here. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Oh, F.
Then go up letter G.
G. I-repeat ra siya, ma'am.
Yes. And then repeat the procedure up to 6 stitches. That is the herringbone stitch. Okay.